What's up, guys? Welcome to Unboxing Nature with me, Insect Insanity. We got some beetle insanity today. This is a ground beetle. Not ground as in, like ground up, but ground as in walking on the ground, living on the ground, inhabiting the territory known as the ground. And guess where I found them? On the ground. Very cool. Did you know there's over 2,000 species of ground beetles in North America alone? So most of them don't really have common names or such, because they're all kind of like black ground beetles, though a few are iridescent green. Ground beetles are predaceous. They like to eat other bugs, other insects, especially larvae, caterpillars, and they'll eat earthworms, slugs also. Would you eat a slug? I wouldn't. But this guy right here sure would. Now, you can maybe notice on the back of his elytra wings, there's little indentations that look kind of like spots. They're pretty subtle. Ground beetle. Now, their elytra wings are covering another pair of wings they can use to fly. But they don't do a lot of flying. They tend to stick to the ground and preferring to hunt at night. Oh, he opened the elytra wings. He could definitely fly out of this little cup. But he wants to just climb out. Oh, yeah, come on, fly out, my dude. Ah! All right. Look at those mandibles. Most ground beetles, including this one, can produce a stench. And he just did. It is very foul smelling. I don't really know how to describe it except the smell of a ground beetle. I've been playing with ground beetles since I was a youngin', and I know that smell well. There's a type of ground beetle called, well, the Americans and the Brits would call it a bombardier beetle, instead of pronouncing it like the French, bombardier. They can produce such a terrible smell that's expelled so violently from their abdomen that it can actually stun any would-be predator, such as a mouse, a vole, or a mole, or a lizard trying to eat said ground beetle. You can see he's tried to bite me a couple times. But guys, I got the protective glove. Alright, we've stressed this guy out enough. Gonna let him go. Gonna let him go. Goodbye, ground beetle. Enjoy your life. Thumbs up. Later.